So what are the best penny stocks to buy on August 28th, 2024? Well, number one recommendation is Asset Entities, stock symbol ASST. It is up today 71% or $1.38, trading at $3.32. Since this morning, it already traded 41 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $20 million. So I spoke about this company before, basically 2 or 3 days ago. It started to experience a very powerful reversal of its major downtrend that it had for the last 6 months. So I think the first coverage came when the stock was trading at around 60 cents a share, and this is when and that was pretty much kind of 3 days ago. So the stock experienced a very big jump in stock price, but also a huge jump in trading volume, because this company, Asset Entities, was not really traded for the last 6 months, and suddenly it started to produce, volume in like hundreds of millions of shares. So basically on August 22nd, some news arrived and the stock started to go, higher and higher. It went from like 60 cents to like $1, $1.20, $2, $3, and now trading at $3.32. So this is a very powerful, very quick and major bullish trend that is established. I'm not sure how comfortable you are in terms of jumping into that stock, but this is a good example of what happens if I mentioned something on the show before, and then this thing actually continues to go up. So, but take a look, see what's driving that stock, and maybe put some money into it. Who knows how high it could go. Asset Entities, stock symbol ASST, only $3.33 a share. Next one is Branch Out Food, stock symbol BOF. It is up today 69% or 47 cents, trading at $1.14. Since this morning, it already traded 110 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $10 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, I hope it isn't a food business, because the word food inside of its name. So, but the main thing is that it was a very quiet stock. Nobody was really trading it. It wasn't really famous, and it looks like the highest it was trading was $2.50, and that was back in May of this year. But then it quickly collapsed from $2.50 to like almost 50 cents, so like 5 times. Nobody was trading it. Nobody was really, cared about this company. However, some kind of news arrived today, and suddenly the stock that's not being traded much is producing 110 million shares in trading volume. So there's some kind of huge interest to this company from the market. So if I were you, I would take a look and see which news are driving that stock and why everybody's going crazy and accumulating the shares, and if it actually makes sense, maybe put some money into it. So Branch Out Food, stock symbol BOF, only $1.14 cents a share. Next one is Bolt Projects Holdings, stock symbol BSLK. It is up today 57% or $1.19, trading at $3.26. Since this morning, it already traded 25 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $150 million. So what can I tell you about this company? This is actually a very recent IPO, because it only started to trade on August 14th of this year. So basically about like 2 weeks ago. So what IPO means, that the company starts to trade on, let's say, New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ for the first time ever. And this is what happened with this company. So it opens at $7 on August 14th. Then it collapses all the way to $2 within like a couple of weeks. And now some kind of news came up, and suddenly it made a huge jump, you know, in a matter of basically one day, when it went from $2 to $3.29. So some kind of news arrived today, and it's driving the stock crazy. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on with this stock, because usually when the stocks just start to trade, it has a lot of surprises for investors, usually positive surprises, and maybe this is one of them. And when this event happens, the stock price could double, triple, and go like, you know, go crazy for some time. And it's, I mean, enough time to make some profit on it. So so take a look. Bold Project Holdings, stock symbol BSLK, only $3.29 a share. Next one is Virax Biolab Group Limited, stock symbol VRAX. It is up today 34%, or $1.68, trading at $6.57. Since this morning, it already traded 53 million shares. Market cap of the company is roughly $35 million. So this sounds like a typical pharmaceutical penny stock. So something is happening with the stock in the last, I would say, couple of weeks, okay? Because for a long time, let's say for the last 6 months, the stock was not really being traded much, and it was hovering around $1, not going anywhere. However, suddenly something changed, and it happened around August 15th. Some news arrived, and the stock went from $1 to, listen to this, to like $6 within like 1 or 2 days. So then it started to go back down from $6 to like $4. However, again, some kind of news arrived today, and the stock continues its bullish trend. So take a look, see what's going on there. You know, by the name Virax, I would say that maybe it's it has to do with making vaccines, because, you know, Virax is usually for viruses, and AX is for vaccines. So or VAX usually I say. So take a look, see what's going on there. But maybe it could be an investable opportunity, especially right now, if you hear there's all kinds of new viruses they're discovering, like monkeypox and shingles and something else. So maybe these companies that make those vaccines are in high demand again. So next one is Laser Photonics Corporation, stock symbol LASE. It is up today 24%, or 79 cents, trading at $4.04. Since this morning, it already traded 1 million shares. Market cap of the company is roughly $70 million. So the stock used to trade at around $1 about 6 months ago, and wasn't really going much anywhere. It had like a resistance at around $1.80, and no matter what happened, it was always just, you know, hitting that ceiling and then going back down. However, everything changed on August 5th of this year, or basically 2 weeks ago. Some news arrived, and the stock started to make pretty powerful run. It broke through $1.80 and went through like $2.80, $3.80, and now it's trying to go over $4. So it's establishing very bullish trend. So if I were you, I would take a look, see what's going on there, and maybe put some money into it. So, but check the news that are driving the stock. That's the most important thing. So, Laser Photonics, stock symbol LASE, only $4.04 a share. So Check out this website for my app.